So guys, one of the things that we are going to look at is how to remove 30% tax from Amazon KDP. So what you will do is you come here to this your account, you click there, you allow it to load. Let's just wait for it to load. Please just follow me up closely, please. Have you seen my phone is in desktop size and I'm using Brave browser. So if you want to put your phone in desktop size, you come to these three dots here. So once you come to these three dots here, you click on these three dots. Have you seen the desktop size? But once you are using Chrome, you see the three dots on top of this place like this. Then what you see it, you click there and you still have that options. So what you do is you come to here, you come to this view/provide tax information. You view here, you allow this to load. Once it is load, you show like this tax information. Your tax information has been validated. If you need a previous update information, please click the you click take interview, you click here and you allow this to load. Once it is load, just wait for it to load. After it has load, let's just wait for it to load. Let's wait for it to load, please. Let's wait for it to load. This is one of the process which you can change the stuff. You come here, you come to this permanent address. Here, you click on this country, you change the country to South Africa. So please just follow me closely, please. Change it to South Africa. Have you seen the permanent address? You see the permanent address there. You change it to South Africa. Then the address line, you cancel this one. You click on 23rd address. Let's just see for something. This is a street address. You click on 23rd. Just follow me closely. Road. The city. This one you put the city. The city is Johannesburg. You click there. HANNS. Have you seen? You wait for it. Click on the state. The state should be. The state is. You just follow me. You need to do your proper research, please. You need to go online and check for all these things so that you can change it, because once you change it, Amazon will be able to pay you your complete money. So that's how it is. Zip code. Let's wait for the zip code. Zip code is 0183. So what we need to do is allow this to, you click on continue. This tax information, please, you need to provide your tax information, please. That is just one of the things there. I'll need to go to my mail to check the tax information. You click on continue. You allow this to do this. Allow country qualify for the benefit. Confirm. Click on confirm. You save it. Signature, please, you type your full name. My full name is Samuel Edit. I'm Samuel Edit, please. Type for Samuel Okon Edit. I'll just put my full name as a signature. So that's how it is. You click on save and review. Click on save and review. Everything will come out like this. Submit the form. Click on submit the form. Exit interview. Have you seen? Let's just come here again. Have you seen the tax information? Now the 30% will go out. Have you seen? You don't see the 30% again. So this is the process on how you can remove the 30%, so that once Amazon Pay, you will receive your money in full. Assuming the 30% is there, and assuming Amazon want to pay you $100, because of the 30% rate, the Amazon will take their own 30% first, before after they have removing their own printing and everything. So they will still come and remove the 30%, but now we have removed it. So that's just the process.